Also for guests who came from Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. So please proceed here at Tibo Kamingawan, Lantawan area because in a few minutes, we will start our show. Once again, sa mga bisita po natin na nasa labas ito ng Tibo Kamingawan, pabagan kayo sa Lantawan area because in a few minutes, you will witness a spectacular and amazing art show.